Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix allow access to camera missing on iPhone apps. And I have some solutions how we can fix this. Alright, the first solution is go to settings. Then from here go to screen time. Then go down to content and privacy restrictions. Click on allowed apps and features, and then right here camera is turned off. So what we need to do is turn this on, fill in your passcode, and this is the first thing that you need to turn on. If we go back, and we go to privacy and security, scroll down to camera, and right now if we go down, here it is, and we look for the app that we want, or camera, you can see here on Instagram that it's turned off. So right now, if you click on this, we turn on our camera right here. Then the third solution, if you go back, what we need to do is go to General, go to iPhone Storage, and search here for the app where you want to use your camera. Right here, for me it's Instagram. Right now, click on Offload the app. Offload app. Right now he will offload this app, and right now let's reinstall this app. Alright, and when you reinstall Instagram and it's still not working, then the last solution that you can do is go to settings. Then from there go to general, scroll down and click here on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Do your Face ID. And then right now you can reset your phone, and probably after that your camera is back. Now, thanks for watching. This is exactly how this works, and have a wonderful day. Ciao.